When I was doing my research for schools, one, it's very close to where I live, so it's a convenient commute.
I did not want to drive down to St. Louis every day. Being located just 15 minutes away here in Wentzville, it was ideal, of course.
I started this program last week, so this is my second week, and day one, we're already down here in the lab with our multimeter. I wasn't expecting to be down here day one. I was expecting a lot of PowerPoint presentation.
We're not just sitting there in the desk, death by PowerPoint. We're actually getting to get up and do hands-on in the areas that we're learning.
Getting my hands dirty and then washing my hands off, I'm thinking about what I learned before instead of just I opened a book for 3 hours and stared at some diagrams.
I think that's huge for students. There's a lot of students that don't want to go to college because they don't want to sit in class, and here they don't have to. Ranken's structure sets them apart from other schools just because we have high expectations and we expect our students to not only perform academically but perform in the classroom as far as working well with others and showing up to their job on time, wearing their uniform.
So Ranken's work ethic component, it really gives employers an opportunity to see what type of person they're hiring.
It allows the students to really create the kind of worker that they want to be in the job market. It kind of gives them a job without having a job and getting into that momentum for the workforce. Plus, with our structure of getting in and out within 18 months, it's great for them because they get to learn and then they get to go right to the workforce with as little money spent as possible.
I feel that Ranken prepares us very well for the workforce because they're in tune with the needs of the community.
And it doesn't surprise me that they say it's 98% job placement. Everybody that hears you're going to Ranken, it's like, oh, you'll have no problem finding a job.
That's why I chose to go to Ranken. They have a really good reputation, and a lot of the well-known companies come here third, fourth semester looking for talent that's grown here in-house. And Ranken is working to give us those skills where we can go make an immediate impact there.
My students' time here at Ranken is preparing them just for the simple fact that I think it's opening their minds of what they actually want to do. Whether that be within a job, or some of my students also continue on to get their 4-year degree, and watching their faces and seeing them realize the potential that they have with their degree that they're getting is amazing.